Hello everyone, my name is Jason, and I am here to tell you all about climate change. I am going to talk about three things: what it is, how it is caused, and how people are contributing to it. Before I start, does anyone know what the climate means? Climate is the word we use to describe the average weather we may expect at a particular time, usually taking over a 30-year period. Climate change. First, let's find out what do we mean by climate change? Climate change means any significant change in climate, particularly temperature or rainfall, over a 30-year period or more. If the climate is changing, then the 30-year average for rainfall or temperature are changing. They may be going up or down. Natural causes. There are natural causes of climate change, such as changes in the sun's energy or volcanic eruptions which release carbonite, carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. However, this alone cannot explain recent climate change, particularly over the past 100 years. Greenhouse. To understand the other causes of climate change, we first need to learn about the greenhouse effect. The natural greenhouse effect keeps Earth much warmer than it would otherwise be. Without it, Earth would be too cold for humans to live on. Invisible infrared radiation is constantly being emitted from the surface of the Earth to outer space. Some of this heat is absorbed by greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. The effect is to warm to the surface of the Earth. This is called the greenhouse effect. Absorbed heat. Any increases in the levels of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere mean that more heat is absorbed and global temperatures increase. This effect is known as global warming. Over the past 150 years, human activities have increased the emissions of three main greenhouse gases: carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide. Carbon dioxide. So how have human activities increased greenhouse gas emissions? Let's focus on carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a naturally occurring gas and in the atmosphere acts as a greenhouse gas. It has increased from our use of fossil fuels, coal, natural gas, and oil. We burn fossil fuels for things like transportation or heating and cooling buildings. When we burn fossil fuels, they emit carbon dioxide. As the world's use of energy has grown, so have the levels of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Cutting down or burning fuels also releases carbon dioxide. warming and cold. But hasn't the climate always changed? Yes, of course. There have been warmer and colder periods throughout the Earth's history. For example, in the last ice age, 20,000 years ago, it was about 9 Celsius right, cooler than it is now. There is strong evidence that change in the Earth's orbit around the Sun are cause of this and other ages. Global temperatures current. Is the climate actually changing now? Yes, current global temperatures are warmer than they have been during at least the past 5 centuries, probably for more than 1,000 years. The 90 warmest years on record have all occurred in the last 20 years. Extreme weather. So we'll get more extreme weather as the Earth's climate gets warmer. The like the likelihood of some extreme events such as heat waves increases. For example, scientists estimate that the future rate of every for of very hot European European summer, like the one in 20 and spring, has doubled due to human activities such as fossil fuel burning. Thanks. That's all.